Hi guys, this video is part 2. Actually, I would request you to please look at the part 1 video, which is unboxing of all these accessories which I have done. So that is an awesome video. You will get to know little more things from here. Whatever I have missed here, you can get it from there, and whatever I have missed there, you can get it from here. So that's it about this video. This is the other bag. If you look at this bag, this is looking very neat. This is also having the light capability on both sides, but there is no reflector as well. And they say this is a waterproof bag, and it has got a velcro here. You see there is a velcro here which will attach like this, which will go attached like this. And then there is one more on top. You have this clip on top. This is screw type. You have to remove the screw, and then each time if you want to connect it, you have to remove the screw, and then you have to put it in, clip it on. And here is one more clip where you have to turn this side. This goes like this, but I don't know why they have given this rope, but you have to turn like this so that it will stay in place. So if you wanted to remove and carry it out, you have to remove the screw, and then this screw, there is one more screw, and then you will have to take it out. Open it, open this one. You have to turn this side, and then you will have to take it out. If you look at this bag, see, the zip is nice, but you don't have a lock here. Where in case if you wanted to go out, you cannot put a small lock, just a small lock which can support you. So you don't have that. So this is what you get inside the bag. I don't know whether you are able to see it. So this is a bag. So you can put maybe 3 kgs, 4 kgs, maybe 6 kgs or something. Let's see how much weight it can withstand. So this is one thing. There is no other pockets, water bottle pockets or reflector, nothing is there, and this is not waterproof. And the zip is, the quality of the bag, I'm sure this will stay for a long time, but it stays here. But this one will stay here. Putting on the bag is so easy. You have to remove this. There is nothing. It's very tight. You just have to remove this, and you have to unmount this bag. So this is what you get. And you can put this velcro here, and here you have one more velcro, and you have a pad. Here. So this is one thing. And if you look at this bag, this is a waterproof bag. It does not have a zip. They say it is a waterproof. It is 20 liter. This is 15 liter. This is 15 liter bag. This is 20 liter bag. And for opening this bag, you have to do this, and then you open it like this. So it is a very big bag. My whole hand goes inside. And but you cannot put a helmet, your motorcycle helmet. I'm not talking about bicycle helmet, I'm talking about your motorcycle helmet. You cannot put in that because the width is small. And then maybe you can carry, I am not sure how much weight it can withstand, but this also stays with the help of this plastic, these two plastics. So and it occupies this on top. It is occupying this space, which I'm not really liking about. This one is also occupying the space. I cannot keep things out here, so I'm not really happy about it. Okay, so this is the thing which I have purchased. And then I have not, this one you can install a mirror which is available, side mirror which is available in Decathlon, which costs you around 500 per mirror. I'm not installing that because right now I don't need it. And I wanted a headlight, horn, and a tail lamp, and I will be installing it later, maybe in some time. So this is what it is about. Let me show you how the Golden Rider bag is. Okay, so this is the Golden Rider bag which I purchased from Amazon.in.
this is costing you around 1500 per set. That is 2 bags for 1500 rupees. This looks awesome. This looks awesome. The stitching, the package which I received, you should look at my unboxing video of this. The package was so big, I thought I have received a TV or something, but I just received this bag. This packaging is very good. It came in a bubble bag, and it's very neat. It has got this pocket, netted pocket. You can put something in it, maybe cards or something like that. And you got a reflector on both bags, and this is the zip I'm talking about. See, there is a hole in here. You can attach a lock, small suitcase lock. If you wanted to leave it for some time, maybe 15-20 minutes or something, you want to leave this bag somewhere, so you can put a lock. This has got a cushion. See, awesome cushion. This will, I am sure that if you put a laptop in it, nothing is going to happen. And this has got a waterproof cover. Please note, this bag is not a waterproof bag. This is just a water. It is getting a waterproof cover. This buckle will help you to mount and unmount easily and make the bag stay without moving forward and backward. And the disc brakes are accessible. The brakes are accessible, and the Velcro. This is the Velcro which will go to that pannier rack which I purchased from Amazon. Which I purchased from Decathlon. And you see this Velcro. This is good, but I don't know, the Velcro will stay for a longer time, but it's provided. It's nice as of now. So far it's good. And the stitching, look at the stitching. It's really awesome. I really like it. The stitching is made with 100% perfection. And because see, this bag stays in place and it is staying on the top of the rack. So now I can keep anything, any box or something on the top of the rack. It is possible. In Decathlon bag it is not possible. It was staying just on a clip. So I was very much worried, and I'm sure, see, whenever I go for a ride, I turn back and check whether my bag is there or everything is safe. But with this bag, I never had that doubt. I was just riding solid without any issues for a 25 km speed, without any issues. Nothing happened, and I have tried carrying around 7 kgs per bag. That is, this side 7 kg, that side 7 kg, and on top I have carried around 10 kgs. So totally I have carried 7, 14 and 24 kgs on a single time. So this bag stays solid. So this is what I have purchased for that cycle seat post. This is really looking nice, but this costing around 1200 or something from Amazon. And you will not be able to place any bigger bottles in it. This has got a bottle holder, but you cannot take a very big bottle, and a small bottle can go in here. This looks very neat, but it is made for seat post only. It is not for anything else, because if you put it on the frame, it will move backward and forward. And this has got a push to push button backlight as well, battery operated backlight. 3 modes are available. That is solid red, flashing red, and speed flashing red. And those kind of bottle also, between bottle also was not able to go in. So mind you about this. So these are the lights modes which is available here. I'm really liking this bag, but I'm not. I don't want to install it under the seat, because I don't want to increase the height, because my seat and my position level is seat position is really perfect for me as of now. So far it is good. So I'm not going to increase the seat height and place this underneath. And right now I'm not able to place this as well. So I'm not going to use it. So if you look at it, I have placed a camera in it, and I have gone through all the speed breaker and other things. It was staying in place, and it was nice. So guys, actually I have installed the bag, and the bag is actually when I wear a shoe, I can feel the bag. Actually, it is touching my leg. So while pedaling. And then I have purchased this bell, very good bell.
and then I have purchased this extra rod for around 500 rupees, and please note that this is not going to stay in place. This will keep coming up and down, but for me this is quite useful because I will put this thing here. If you keep it near your finger, thumb finger, then it will be useful, but I have kept it here because I wanted to capture my camera. I will place my camera here and it can capture the battery level so that I can help you guys understand. So I have put it here. This phone stand I have purchased. This is a rugged one, solid rugged, but one thing is that you have to each time you wanted to put on your phone, it's going to be a little tedious. Let me show you how to do that. And for connecting this one, it took me at least half a day because it was easy, but I mean where to install and what all to install in this. Planning was taking a lot of time. So this one I have installed it here in center, it removing the rubber cushion. So this is how you need to. This phone stand is like this. So this is the phone mount. This is a silicone kind of rubber. Okay, this is a silicone rubber, and it will go like this. First you have to take this out. You have to take this out and put it on the handlebar. Okay, it goes like this. This one is kind of strong. So if you wanted to mount your phone, this is how you put on your phone. Okay, so this is not touching the power button. So here it is volume up and down. That one, the slider is hidden here, but I don't think it is disturbing now. And you have to put on your phone like this. You know what is so interesting about this one? Finger scanner is easily accessible here, and if I'm going in a hot sun, the screen will not fade out, or it will not, in case you buy a plastic waterproofing phone mount, then what happens is the screen will become kind of little blurry, so you'll not be able to see anything on a normal sunny day. So that is one thing, but in this one you will not have that kind of problem, and it will not, the screen will not get overheated since there is no plastic cover on it. So that one is really nice about it. And apart from that, this one is accessible. If I wanted to switch, in early morning, if I wanted to switch on the light, I can just move this and switch on the light, so that I don't have to see. If I mount it like this, then I can switch on the light. Easily. So that one I really like about it. Apart from this stand, which is provided by Meraki or Manikanta Traders, I have this stand purchased, the center stand. This is a between stand, which is so useful. You can adjust your height up and down here. This is so useful because if I put on a little weight in this basket, what happens is the cycle will fall down. So that is why I have installed that center stand. Because as I told you, I am purchasing this cycle for I am going to use this cycle for short distance nearby vicinity, like if you wanted to buy some groceries, if you want to go by 1 or 2 kilometers, then I will use this cycle, because each and every time I'll have to take my scooter. This one is so useful. It cost me around 7 paisa per kilometer. So that is the reason I have purchased this cycle. So I am using this. I have this basket I have installed, so that I can put on like this. See, right now I have around huge hell a lot of things here in this power bank, phone, charger wire, all these things, selfie stick, and other things are there. So that one is so useful here. See, there is 3 rods which is coming. I made some alteration to this clamp and I have installed it here, and then I have Yeah, this one is going here. There is one support which is going here. That's all. This is the support. This stays rock solid. I have carried around 4 kgs of watermelon in this, and nothing happened to this. This is some this is made by some other brand. I don't know. It is not any branded thing like Between, because Between baskets are not fixing here. I'm not able to install it properly. It comes like a hook, so that is the reason I have installed it. I have got this basket, and then this is a camera mount which I purchased from Amazon. This costs around 1000 rupees. And this rack, this is a pannier rack from Between, which stays here on the seat post, and it can carry weight around 10 kgs. So this is rock solid. I am sure I have tested yesterday. I have tested carrying around 6 kgs on this side, 6 kgs on that side on Golden Rider bag. It was staying solid without any issues. But one thing is, I didn't turn back to see what happened, how the bag is, but it stayed. The vegetables which I purchased was staying solid. And I have purchased this lock, which costed around 249. This is a very lengthy thing which will come from here to here, a length, two side. I'll show you. So this is the length, and you still have some more left. You see, you still have some more left here. So this is the length. It can go up to here, length of this one. So why I have purchased this one is if I wanted to tie, in case if my cycle has a lot of weight in it, like if I put some weight here and weight on this side, the cycle will definitely fall even if you put on the center stand. So what I do is, I will tie here. Maybe if, for a short time, if I want to go somewhere, if I want to go inside some stores to purchase something, in between the cycle should not fall down, right? So I will tie down here, and then the other one I will tie it on this kind of rod or something, so that it will not fall down. Okay guys, if you like it, subscribe it. Thank you. Bye. Thanks for watching.